All right, we are recording now. Sorry, guys. All right, banana. Like that. Okay. Then would you drink banana juice? I have never drank banana juice. Strange. Make a C like this and go across your face like that. Strange. Strange. All right, so again, we'll do some more foods here in a minute. So eat, let's review. Eat, hungry, drink, thirsty, water with a W. Good. Milk, orange, apple, grapes, and then we did like apple juice, orange juice, grape juice, banana. See how it looks like you're peeling a banana? Isn't that cool? All right, cheese. With flat hands, make fives like this. Cheese, cheese. Now with the same hands, my left elbow is bent and my right hand is going to do this, cracker. Now you're not gonna actually do like this, I'm just showing you, okay? So your arm's gonna be down like this, okay? Cracker, cracker. All right, watch, I'm gonna ask you something. Do you like cheese and crackers? Or crackers and cheese? Yes, no, little bit, little bit. So for like a little bit, you can make an L and then close in your fingers together, and your thumb is just going to swipe up against your other finger, your index finger, like this, like as if you are, have you ever done this with marbles before? Maybe. If you have, then it's like that. If you haven't, then you just do this. A little bit. Or a little bit. Little bit. Little. Okay. Cookie. So left hand flat 5, right hand make a claw, put it down, and then twist. Cookie. Cookie. And then I think we learned ice cream the other day, right? Ice cream. So make a fist or an S and go toward your mouth. Ice cream in a circular motion. Ice cream. All right, pay attention. Do you like cheese ice cream? Strange. Strange. Gross. Your middle fingers like this, gross. And just kind of do like this where they're not touching, but it's like you're, you know, with magnets, how they repel each other, it's kind of like that, gross. Ugh. All right. Strange. Tacos. I think we learned tacos too. I showed you that maybe the first or second day. So with your left hand, just make a curve like the taco shell. Taco. Taco. Now if I do it like this, that can be sandwich. So taco, sandwich, sandwich. Do you remember the other sign for sandwich that I showed you? Oh, yes, sandwich, sandwich. All right, watch. Do you like cheese sandwiches? A little bit. Hot dog. So hot dog has two signs too. So the first one I'm going to show you is this. So you're going to have just your hands together in claws and then squeeze and then move them over and squeeze. Okay, you ready? Hot dog. Good. Hot dog. And then the other one is like taco, like this, like the bun, the hot dog bun. And you're going to use your index finger of your right hand and just do this. Hot dog. Hot dog. Good, Eleanor. Which sign do you like? Hot dog or hot dog? Show me. Hot dog or hot dog? Good job. All right, the next food that we can learn, we'll learn one more and then I'm going to ask you what food that you want to learn. Okay? Let's do carrots and eggs. Carrots. So make a fist and right about here, not right here, but right here next to your chin. Just twist. Carrots. Carrot. Okay? Carrot on your face or close to your face if you don't want to touch your face. Like this. Carrot. Okay? And then egg. Make U's. And then you're going to cross your, it's kind of like name. Name. And then just do it like this and then this. Egg. Egg. It's like you're cracking an egg. Egg. Good. Good. Remember, please, from yesterday, please. Make a fist. Sorry. Make sure your face looks like you feel bad. Sorry. Thank you. You're welcome. Good. Bad. All right, so what signs do you want to know for food? What are some food signs that you want to know? Just raise your hand. All right, Luciana, go.
I would like to know candies.
Candy. Ooh, let's learn candy and chocolate. All right, candy, you can make an L and your index finger is touching your chin like this. Candy. Candy. Or you can do it like a closed 5 and bend your hand a little bit. And this means like sweets, like sweet. Okay. So you can do candy with an L or sweet to mean just candy. There are some other signs too, but you might see those as well. Now for chocolate, my left hand is flat. My right hand, make a C, put it right here on top of my hand like this. And just go around in a circle. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
You.
Yes.
Hot. Hot chocolate. Remember, use a claw for hot. Hot chocolate. Let's go on to colors. All right, remember this sign for favorite with your middle finger touching your chin. Favorite. favorite. And then remember, this was birthday. Chin to chest. Favorite, birthday. Okay, favorite. All right, color. You're going to tap your chin with your fingers like this. Color, color. All right, good job. Let's do red with your pointer finger, red or red. All right, orange, orange. Remember, milk, orange. All right, make a Y, yellow. Now, this is yellow with one hand. If I do it with two hands, this is play. Play, and then one hand, yellow. Okay. Green, make a G and twist your wrist. Green. Good, make a G and twist your wrist. Green. Blue, make a B and twist your wrist like this. Blue. Purple, make a P and shake your wrist like this. Do you see a common theme here? We just do the letter and then move our wrist. And then white, white. So you might see white like this. It's an open hand, and then as you move away, you close it. White. So like is just your thumb and middle finger, like, but white is all your fingers like that. See the difference? You might also see white like this, where it's on your chest like this and then closing, coming out more of an upward motion. White or white, okay? Black, point your finger across your forehead one time. Black. Now brown, make a B and just go down the side of your face a little bit. Brown. Brown, good. Tan, make a T and do the same motion as brown. Tan, tan. Silver, touch your ear or close to your ear, and when you move your wrist out, make an S. Silver, silver. And then gold, you would think it's a G, but it's the same thing as silver. You touch your ear and come out to yellow because gold is yellow in color. Gold. So touch your ear and come out and make a Y. Good. Gold. Good. Silver. Good job, guys. And then we have rainbow. So make a 4. You're going to point it down on your opposite side and then come up and over like a rainbow. Okay. Rainbow. Okay. So let's practice the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. All right, I'm looking at everybody checking in. Make sure when you do your blue, it's not like this. Your fingers should be closed as a B. Blue, green, green. Then we have pink. Make a P and touch your chin or your lips. Pink. Purple. Black. White on your chest, and then close your hand as you move forward. White. Tan with a T down your face. Tan. Good. Brown with a B down the side of your face. Rainbow. Sorry about that. Silver, touch your ear and then transition to an S. Silver. Silver. And then gold, touch your ear and then transition to a Y. Gold. And then one thing we didn't do was gray. So gray has two signs. You can do a G down the side of your face like this, gray, G, gray, or gray. There you go. Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. Are you ready? Pay attention. I already got a couple answers. Your favorite color is what? What is your favorite color? So you can answer just with your favorite color, or you can practice using signing a sentence. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Now, if you have light or dark colors, light. You can use your middle fingers, light. So point down and then move toward each other and then out, light. You can also use this meaning that something is light versus being heavy, okay? So that cup is light. Cup. Left hand flat, right hand make a C. Put it on here and then just go up like this. Cup. That blue cup is light, or is light blue in color. Okay. Dark. So just have your hands in closed fives. Dark. Dark. So you can use like dark blue, or you can say it's dark outside. Outside. Your hand is open and then closed to the end position. Outside. Outside, dark. Windy. Do you remember that one? Windy, like bad winds. So you can use dark to describe color or what it looks like outside, something like that. Okay, so I want to know if you remember this one. Your birthday, when? When is your birthday? My birthday, and then tell me the month and the day, and I'll tell you mine. November the 5th. Good job practicing. You guys have done such a great job this week. Yeah, good job. Did you guys enjoy camp and learning signs all week? Really loved meeting all of you this week, and I hope that you guys learned a lot and had fun, and I hope that one day I'll see you again at a camp or something else. I don't know. You never know.